Hey everybody, this is Mattie with Altcoin Buzz with you on a Tuesday, and today we're talking about updates with ChainLink. We're talking about the intersection of Visa and blockchain from a couple of different perspectives. We'll take a look at that. It looks like 6 banks are about to launch stablecoins with IBM. CoinOunce.com asks, is the bull run coming? We're also getting a fresh take on Wanchain, courtesy of CCN.com. But let's begin on altcoinbuzz.io with a quick roundup of the news. This was the news for the last week. The biggest stories of the week in our estimation that may have shaped the market one way or another. With number 1, Bitcoin will rocket higher in 2019, says Fundstrat's Tom Lee. You can check out the details of that particular development. Number 2, Facebook's coin might be a cash cow, says analyst. They have a huge install base on day one, no matter what they do. I think that's going to be popular. Number 3, Dash surges by 12% after PolisPay and Equicex debit card integration. A lot happening with Dash. We covered some other news happening with the project just yesterday. At number 4, 26 million developers can now integrate blockchain using Engine platform. Engine has been on a tear recently. For more information as to what they've been about, check out the information and the articles that are linked in the URLs here. And we want to now highlight some news with our friends over at ChainLink. This is from a couple of weeks ago, but we haven't covered it yet, so now's as good a time as any. ChainLink is proud to announce at T. Gonzer, founder of DocuSign, as the newest advisor to the project following a recent fireside chat held in San Francisco, California, between him and Sergey Nazarov. Hashtag smart contracts, hashtag oracles, hashtag ducks in a row. All right, well said. You can check out more information about that here on blog.chain.link. ChainLink talks smart contracts in San Francisco with newest advisor, DocuSign founder Tom Gonzer. On the 23rd of January 2019, ChainLink hosted a standing room-only fireside chat about the future of smart contracts in San Francisco between Tom Gonzer, founder of DocuSign, and Sergey Nazarov, CEO of ChainLink. So here's the backstory. E-signatures may seem like a simple, straightforward idea, but it took time to make businesses comfortable with the notion. Fast forward to today, and DocuSign is the leading signature company in the world with a market capitalization of over $8.5 billion. Wow. It is publicly traded on the NASDAQ, and its product is a standard across many industries. In fact, in some industries, e-signatures sped up business processes so much that failing to use them can cause a company to lose ground to competitors. According to Tom, quote, in real estate, you're not competitive if you can't do an electronic signature. You're just not. You will lose. And ChainLink, the article continues, is in a similar position to the early days of DocuSign, as it also strives to accelerate workflow and reduce costs by automating certain business processes of a contract. Having already navigated similar waters, Tom possesses invaluable knowledge on how to help guide ChainLink onto the same path of mass adoption. He believes deeply in what ChainLink is trying to achieve, saying, quote, there's not this robust set of APIs that can connect these contracts to the rest of the world. That's why I was so excited when I started talking to Sergey about what they're doing with ChainLink. This is precisely the reason the ChainLink team is now proud to announce Tom Gonzer as an official advisor to the project. And if you guys are interested in checking out more of the fireside chat, there's a video that you can check out here in the link in this article. In other news here on CryptoSlate.com, Visa hiring cryptocurrency and blockchain expertise. Will you look at that? Visa is recruiting project managers to work on its crypto team. A recent job posting indicates the company is searching for a full-time technical product manager position familiar with blockchain for the company's Palo Alto-based location, Visa FinTech. So they are looking for knowledgeable and experienced candidates in the world of permissionless blockchain technology. The responsibilities of this technical product manager were listed as follows: manage the product strategy and roadmap for cryptocurrency-related opportunities, define product scope and feature prioritization, and be flexible to iterate and change per latest development to meet deadlines, ideate and execute opportunities to build products that leverage Visa's core competencies. You can read about the rest, but the point here is that Visa is definitely investing in their blockchain infrastructure. And you may remember back in October of last year, the CEO of Visa talked about being competitive in an interview with CNBC. In this interview, Al Kelly, the CEO of Visa, said he did not consider Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies competitors since they were more of commodities than tools for payment. The following was said, quote, "If we have to go there, we will go there, but right now it's more of a commodity than a payment vehicle." And so in the opinion of this author, at least consequently, Visa's decision to venture into the crypto space could be an attempt to stay ahead of these developments and compete to remain the, quote, best means of payment. And for now, I'll give that to them. I think they are the best means of payment. If you want to read about the development here on the dailyhodl.com, you can do so. Visa Crypto revealed payment giants hiring technical manager for new cryptocurrency project. For a different perspective, you can read about that here. Here's the sell. Quote, "Are you passionate about the intersection of payments and cryptocurrency? Are you deeply familiar with permissionless blockchain technology and have a close network of experts in the fast-moving cryptocurrency and fintech ecosystem? Are you excited about the challenge of developing new products for Visa to deliver value to fintechs looking to support cryptocurrencies?" Hey, look, guys, this could be a merger and a collision of worlds. If you're qualified and you're interested and looking to perhaps find a job in the Palo Alto area, then it may as well be a member of the Altcoin Buzz Army that gets this job. Let us know in the comments below if you'd be interested in this and if you'd be interested in steering Visa toward a crypto blockchain future. In other news here on coinounce.com, take a look at this headline. 6 banks to launch stablecoins with IBM. Bull market coming? It almost seems inevitable. IBM, the American multinational information tech giant, announced yesterday on the 18th of March that it has signed letters of intent with 6 large banking institutions to launch their own stablecoins, which will be backed by fiat currencies and issued on Stellar blockchain. Not too bad for Stellar. According to IBM, the partnership will allow these banks to operate international transfers faster and cheaper than the current banking system. Out of the 6 banks, 3 have been publicly named, which are RCBC based in the Philippines, Banco Bradesco in Brazil, and Bank of Busan based in South Korea. The other banks shall be announced soon. The network was launched yesterday, however. The banking institutions are still waiting for regulations. According to Jesse Lund, the head of blockchain for IBM, they are initiating with the markets that are based outside of the US. However, they plan to focus on adding the US as an operational endpoint within the current year. The IBM World Wire has payment locations in 72 nations with 48 currencies and 46 banks and money transmitters. And Stellar seems to be responding pretty well, up nearly 8% in the last 24 hours, as you can see, sitting at 11.5 cents. Up just over 13% in the last 14 days, and up, wow, check this out, nearly 40% in the last 2 weeks, nearly 50% in the last month. So some pretty good overall movement for Stellar, not the least of which I imagine was caused by this news. So kudos to the team for continuing and progressing with that big partnership with IBM. That's a good one to have. And finally today on ccn.com with news of Wanchain, they're integrating EOS and adding more stablecoin support. This is an article hot off the press. Wanchain, an Ethereum fork focused on cross-chain integration, announced support for EOS recently. The short story here is that in the near future, decentralized exchanges facilitating trades between EOS, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, which is increasing its token functionality via Blockstream's Liquid product. Here is the tweet from the 15th of March at Wanchain.org. We are very proud of our ecosystem made up of some of the most revolutionary projects and blockchains in the industry. This is only the beginning as we are on a mission to connect open finance. RT, if you're excited to join us on this journey. Wanchain, after all, aims to be a hub for many different blockchains. If you want to read more about their aspirations and developments with this particular issue, then do check out this article in full and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that, everybody, I think we're going to wrap it up for today. Do be sure to follow us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking into our website, altcoinbuzz.io. Don't forget, we're still giving away that Doharis shard to the person whose comments we like the most in the comments section below, as long as you make sure to include your wallet address. We're giving one away every day until the 31st of March. Winners to be announced on the 5th of April, 2019. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. We wish you only the very best of luck if you choose to invest. But hey, enjoy your Tuesday, enjoy your midweek, and as always, we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army.